If you're a cop working in a sanctuary jurisdiction, then you're being directed by left-wing liberal progressive mayors and governors to protect illegal criminals who not only violated our laws in coming here, but in addition committed crimes while here. You're being told not to share information about illegal criminals and not honor federal ICE detainers. So, you've got a decision to make. And if this is a tough one for you, and you can't figure out what your sworn obligation is, then get the hell out of law enforcement. Think back to the day you graduated from rookie school, when you got a badge and a gun. You earned the right to protect us. We trusted that you understood your mission. We were proud of you. Proud to count you in that blue wall that every day separates a civilized society from a chaotic and barbaric one. Your job? To protect the innocent, follow the truth, arrest the criminal, be true to your oath. That oath is not negotiable. It is not for sale, and neither are you. You knew this when you signed up. And no namby-pamby, bleeding-heart, left-wing, socialist, political whore has the right to demand that you defy that oath. And if you don't have the courage to do what you know needs to be done, then you don't deserve to wear that badge. Take a look at what happens when you listen to these wimps, when you free the criminal wanted for deportation. All of these innocents were killed by illegals. On the right, innocent victims. The left, they're killers. Some accused, others already convicted. All of them illegals who were deported, then came back to the United States and went on to kill after they returned. There are thousands more like them. And every one of those politicians that ordered you not to cooperate with federal authorities has the blood of these innocent victims on their hands. And I hate to say this, but every one of you in law enforcement who bought into this liberal nonsense also has blood on your hands. You would never allow an American criminal to roam freely in your jurisdiction if another law enforcement agency asked you to hold them. Why change the rule and prioritize the illegal for whom there is a want? Why would you release them and not notify a fellow law enforcement agency? If you release the criminal, you guarantee a fellow officer or agent is going to be in harm's way when they go out to find that criminal. To be clear, we're not talking about, nor is anyone asking you to notify ICE about the illegal who's simply working in the field, the waitress, the babysitter, or someone cleaning a house. So what to do? You notify ICE as soon as you can, and I don't care what you have to do to get that done. If you have to do it quietly, anonymously, behind closed doors, underground, through a special hotline, email, or carrier pigeon, damn it, just do it. You instinctively understand danger. It's in your DNA. If you have an MS-13 gang member whose initiation you know requires that he beat someone to death or rape someone in front of his fellow gang members, and you don't tell ICE, you have blood on your hands. Americans have the right to know when they're in danger. Why would you treat an illegal criminal different than an American criminal? Hell, maybe law-abiding states should clear out their prisons and send their own criminals to sanctuary states. Since they're open to taking other countries' criminals, the least they can do is take ours. Can't you see that you're being used in a political tug-of-war? If this is a tough one for you, and you're going to start listening to the ACLU or some liberal mayor who doesn't give a damn about you, your contract, or your oath, directing that you release the wanted criminal alien out the side door, then maybe you should rethink this whole thing and go into social work. You're too damn dumb to be in law enforcement. And that's my open. Tell me what you think on my Facebook page or Twitter. #Judge Jeanine.